What a miserable day it is, Ella. Hmm? You go see the other birdies? Hmm? Do you like other birdies? Don't think you do you? Where are we? So all your siblings. Oh, there's Joey. Poopy. This is Ella, everybody. Everybody, Ella. What do you reckon, guys? Ella, stop looking at me in the camera. And look at the birdies. They're little birdies compared to you, aren't they? You're becoming a big bird. Yes, you are. Now, I've had so many questions about Ella in the last 48 hours or so, and sorry if I don't get around to answering everyone. I'll try and answer some now in this video. Hey boys. Hey boys. Where's Leo's? Ella's a little bit wet. She's been out in the rain. Come here. Shut your mouth. Relax. Should put you down. You're hitting my hand. Step up. Step up on there. Step up. Ow, ow, ow. Come on. There you go. What do you reckon? Could you live in here? Now, that brings me to the first question. Will Ella be living in the Pheasantasiam? No, definitely not. It's going to be way too big to be living out here, just because... Woo! Leela doesn't like you. Leela doesn't like you. No. Hey, Fry, what's up? You're okay. You're okay. So she won't be living out here because she's going to be too big and she'll end up biting off legs or something potentially, or if she wants to fight with any other birds they won't have a chance. Wow. You're a bunch of wusses. You're a bunch of sooks. Why are you standing right on the edge, Ella? Move onto it a bit better. Come on. Move forward. You're going to fall off. You're going to fall off, a silly bird. On a perch. Will she be a free flight bird? Probably not. Just because I don't think my wife will allow such things. Come down here, Charlie. Come see Ella. So Ella seems to be a bit like Straubs at the moment, in that doesn't really understand other birds, I don't think. He thinks she's people, eh? He thinks she's people. But as you can see, she's getting pretty big. It's not full size yet, but tail's coming through. Still got a little bit of facial feathers to go. Yeah. You can see the pink in there. Sort of apricot-y colour, really. And maybe she will, I don't even know if we're keeping her yet. What's we have to wait and see, won't we, Ella? Wait and see whether someone can give you back or not. So everything else in the Pheasantasiam chugging along as usual. Stuff on your face. Make some grass. So she won't be coming out here probably much longer. Like I say, she'll be too big and she could cause damage to the other birds. Plus it's a little bit hard for some bird this size to fly in here because there's a lot of obstacles in the way now, in the way of greenery and perches and things. But seen as a certain pink parrot doesn't like his expensive little aviary over there, maybe That will be Ella's main aviary when she's not wandering around inside the house like she is at the moment. But if she was well behaved, she could come in here too and visit the other birds. But like I say, she's a bit like Straubs. I don't know if she knows she's a bird. Hey Charlie, gonna be brave and come down? Come on. Come on. You a big brave boy? Come on. Come on. Come on. Give me a suck. Leo's, it's okay. Leela's definitely not a fan. Wait, where have you gone, Ella? Where's Ella gone? I don't like you flapping your wings. Your wingspan's a bit fast. Woo! Woo! What's the matter? Mummy poke a feather the wrong way. Okay guys, we'll take her back in. She's not gonna hurt ya. She doesn't know she's a bird yet. She can't even fly like you guys. Right, so my assistant will take Ella back indoors. I can't remember what all the other questions were. I was going to write them down and I haven't done it. One of them was, what do you do about aspiration? Well, nature takes care of that sort of thing. She gobbles down the food and, I don't know, birds it goes the right way. Haven't had any problems with it so far. She just scoffs it down and hopefully it goes down the right tube. I don't mean aspirations as in growing up to be an eagle or something. As you can see, it's rather wet today. It's meant to be a miserable weekend here. Spring in Auckland. Pretty usual. It's a dust cloud coming over from Australia right now. It's just spread through New South Wales and Queensland and is heading its way over to New Zealand. We'll get here tomorrow supposedly, but that shouldn't really be a problem. I don't think we'll even notice it. Hello. I was over in Australia in the 2009 when they had the big dust storm then, and it was quite something to behold. Very strange walking around outside and everything's bright orange, sky's orange. And the dust was so fine you didn't even realise you were breathing it in until you blew your nose later, and whee, nearly took me out, and ended up sick for the next 3 weeks, coughing and spluttering and blowing out orange stuff, and all my white shirts were orange. Anywho, getting a bit sidetracked from birds here. There's a link there. Most of them come from Australia, don't you guys? You guys don't have to worry about dust storms over here. And all the heat and fires and floods and everything. Okay, so there's a quick Ella Pheasantasiam update. More Ella than anything else, I suppose. Anyway, I'll see you on the next one. Hoping to have a new Cockatiel companion video out soon. It's just I've had a lot of problems with some of the videos I did and I can't use them. So it's taking a lot longer than I thought, and I'm making a very long one, so it takes a while to get enough footage together. But hopefully, maybe, before Christmas. Lots to do before Christmas, isn't there guys? Lots to do. Yeah, she's gone, Charlie. You can come over now. Come on. Come on. Joester. Charlie. Come on. Whoopee. You're a bunch of sooks. Say bye bye. We're having a shake. Get the rain off.